Hi friends, today we are going to study 10th Science Chapter 4 Carbon and its Compounds. In this chapter, we are going to study about covalent bonding in carbon, some examples depicting covalent bonding, allotropes of carbon and their properties, diamond, graphite, fullerenes, versatile nature of carbon, catenation, tetravalency of carbon, tendency to form multiple bonds. Organic compounds, hydrocarbons, saturated hydrocarbons, unsaturated hydrocarbons, how to draw the structure of saturated and unsaturated compounds, how to draw the structure of cyclic compounds, isomerism, functional groups, nomenclature of carbon compounds, writing IUPAC name of a compound, chemical properties of carbon compounds, fuels and flames, some important carbon compounds, soaps and detergents. Carbon is considered as the third most important elements after oxygen and hydrogen for the existence of life on the earth. The name carbon is derived from the Latin word carbo, which means coal. The earth crust contains only 0.02% of carbon, which is present as minerals like carbonates, hydrogen carbonates, coal and petroleum. And the atmosphere has 0.03% of carbon dioxide, fuels like wood, kerosene, LPG, CNG, petrol, etc. Clothing material like cotton, nylon, polyester, paper, rubber, plastics, leather, drugs and dyes are all made up of carbon. All the living things, plants and animals are made up of carbon compounds. Okay, we will study properties of compounds which makes them so important to us. So first of all, we are going to know about covalent bond in carbon. The bond which formed by the sharing, it is important, sharing of electrons. Okay, electron pair between the atoms, either same or different atoms, are known as covalent bonds. Covalent means sharing. Atomic number of carbon is 6. So its configuration, electronic configuration is 2, 4. Thus there are 4 electrons in outermost shell, and its octet can be completed by the 2 ways. First one is it would lose 4 electrons and form C4 plus cation, but a large number of energy is required to remove 4 electrons, leaving behind the carbon cation with 6 protons in its nucleus holding on just 2 electrons, which is not possible. Second one is it could gain 4 electrons and can form C4 minus anion, but for a nucleus having 6 protons, it would be difficult to hold 10 electrons, that is 4 extra electrons. Therefore, in order to overcome this problem, carbon shares its valence electrons with other atoms of carbon or with atoms of other elements. So these shared electrons belong to the outermost shell of the both atoms. In this way, both atoms attain noble gas configuration. This type of bonding is called covalent bonding. The number of electrons shared between 2 atoms to complete their octet, except hydrogen, is known as the covalency of that atom. Thus, the covalency of hydrogen is 1, oxygen is 2, nitrogen is 3, and carbon is 4. Other atoms also exhibit the similar type of bonding.